Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, Christina here on a Friday afternoon, getting ready for the weekend. Thought I'd showcase a double-wide kitchen here. We've got Timberwolf cabinets, 42 inches all the way to the ceiling. This is a 28 by 48, and we're only going to see the wet half, and what I mean by that is that this is the half where most of the plumbing is going to be. Thunder on the floor, that's a new linoleum for us. We've got gas appliances here. Patent beach on the wall. We see a lot of Casper cashmere gray, but this is a nice brown pattern. I actually came in the back door. Coming straight into the back door is the utility room. Main water shutoff inside, as well as water shutoffs throughout. Now, this is one half of the house. That's why you're going to see all this plastic here. So when you put the two homes together, this beyond the plastic is going to be the living room. Here's your second bath. We did an over-the-commode linen. Bedroom 2. This is actually a 3-bedroom. The other bedroom is in the other half of the home. Happy Friday. Thanks for watching.